Hi, I'm Chris Tague. Welcome to this week's Repair Tag. I started the week with a cornet water key modification. This is a client's Schiller cornet. It had the Amata style water keys on it, and they were always a problem, so the client wanted me to replace them with more of a traditional water key. These needed to be underslung, especially for the third slide, so that it would clear the bell. So they're kind of along the lines of the Olds design. While delivering some repairs, a client sent home this leady vibraphone for me to restore. So I picked this up this week. Very interesting design. When all the bars are on here and set, you can remove each of the sets. At that point, you'll disassemble the belt, loosen it, pull the resonators out. Everything breaks down really easy. So I'm going to clean it up, get things functioning, have a discussion with a specialist about the motor, see what we can do to make this thing viable. We'll restring the bars, get some damper felt, have to fabricate a linkage for the pedal, which you've got to see this pedal. This is absolutely awesome. It's like an automobile pedal. The only thing's missing is the rubber boot over it. So anyway, cool project, and we'll be working on this coming up. Emergency repairs are not a surprise. However, some clients have very ingenious ways of getting through their gigs before they come to see me. So this is how you do an emergency repair for your G-sharp spring when it breaks on the gig. Sometimes you just have to pull a sax pad out in order to see why it won't move where you want it to. I always have a variety of vintage instruments to work on. That's what I love so much about this job. Here I have an 1894 Diston B-flat cornet. This is an in-progress project. A lot of patina. I'm going to clean this thing up, port the valves, take care of the springs. Going to do my best to kind of diminish that damage and ugliness, and see what we can come out like when we're done. Those are some of the projects from this week. Check in next week for the latest episode of Repair Tag.